Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a pot of soybean sprout and tomato soup. So let's get started. Let's review the ingredients here. These are soybean sprouts, and as you can see, they're much larger and thicker than the mung bean sprouts. It has a heartier flavor also, and these should never be eaten raw. They're very hard to digest. Tomatoes, ginger, chicken legs, and chicken and pork stock. And for the prep, all we need to do is quarter the tomatoes. I leave them with the skin on. And the ginger, we just need to crush it. Just give it a good pat. And that's it. We can start cooking. Okay, to make this soup, we'll start with parboiling the chicken legs. Put in a pot of boiling water and let's simmer for like 5 minutes. And this is going to get rid of the impurities. Okay, so that's done. Remove the chicken from the pan and just give it a quick wash and rinse. Okay, so next, bring up the soup stock to a boil. We're going to add the chicken legs in. The ginger. The sprouts. And the tomatoes. And let this come back up to a boil. Just give it a quick mix around. Turn it down to low. And so cover it and let it slow simmer for an hour and a half. And we'll be back to check on it. Looks good. Give it a taste. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning salt in here. That's really good. So let's serve up a bowl. And here we have a wonderful bowl of soybean sprout and tomato soup. This is a simple and light clear soup with a pronounced soybean flavor. Enjoy! So let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, yummy. She likes soybean and some of the chicken. Thank you for watching, everyone. Eat well and be healthy. See you next time. Good girl.